Now, we have something. I have something very. I just discovered something very great. I did not see this a lot on YouTube. I look it up on YouTube. The problem, you can actually point this thing out. You can take the camera on this one. So you guys can see what happened. So we have this last part, the last part of the battery. This part right here was not fit. It didn't fit. It didn't fit the negative part of the battery, or I mean the positive part of the battery. It didn't fit it, so it was always going like this, like this, like this, like this for a while. And my brother was driving it for a while like this. We didn't find how to do it. He used to use his gloves to fix it somehow and get it. But Alhamdulillah, how we do it, we've came out with something amazing, and I think it's gonna help a lot of people out there. How would we come with this? I actually look it up on YouTube, and the only YouTube that I can find that was very close to what I was looking for was having something, an iron material that we place on one of these positive part, this thing right here. I'm not sure what it's called,
Terminal.
but yeah, the terminal, positive terminal of the battery, right? So they literally, what you have to do is they order it actually from online, and it's gonna be so flat, and they will round it up like this and put it there, and perhaps if it works. But I didn't use it. I was trying to do this, but something clicked on my mind. This is where the miracle came. Okay, I was asking my brother, what if we use aluminum? My brother was like, what did you say? Aluminum
is a fantastic conductor.
Yeah, aluminum
electricity.
is an excellent electrical conductor, actually, right? So we say, okay, we're gonna try this out. So what do we do? All you have to do, if something happen like this, that you order, this will happen when you order another part. When you reach, sometime you will have to replace your battery, and the battery will be the terminal part of the battery might be a little bit smaller than actually this part right here of your car. So this where you get the problem. When you do have this kind of problem, what do is you get something like this. Okay, just get something like this in Walmart or whatever. You probably have it at home, you don't even know, right? Ask your mom, it will give you this one of these things. Okay, this is aluminum foil for food. You use it for food and stuff, and store food on the fridge or whatever. So you take one of these, and then you actually you fold it as thick as you need it to. And then when you fold it as thick as you need it to, then you put it around this thing right here. You put it around whatever you need it, the one of each terminal you need it for. It can be positive or negative. And then when you do that, then let me show you. Actually fell off here. Bismillah. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe I'm gonna have to show you guys again. So, like as you guys see again, it will not fit. Like if you do this, he's driving, he's starting. Okay, it's actually it won't work right before, right?
It comes out.
It comes out, right? Okay, it's not fit. It will fit.
Loose.
It's loose, right? And it will come out. Right now, if you put it like this, it works. But it come out. It's loose, and it will come out before. Okay. So what do we come out with to make it not loose? And what's the opposite of loose?
Tight.
Tight. You get a foil like this, and you fold it. Because the foil, this right here is an excellent electrical conductor. So it will actually do the work for you, inshallah. So what you do, I'm not sure if this is a lot. It's probably too much. So what you actually do, so the good thing about it is actually flexible. The foil is actually flexible. You can cut it with your hand. So you actually wipe it around the terminal. You wrap it around the terminal just like this. SubhanAllah, I was surprised when it actually works. SubhanAllah, easy fix. You don't have to buy another part, and it costs you about $20 to $100, you know. SubhanAllah, see, stop bleeding already. SubhanAllah, SubhanAllah. Is it on? Okay. Bismillah. It's giving me some trouble right now. I'm not sure if you're taking the video. No, I think you're gonna take video on that. But alright, Bismillah. I'm sure it's gonna work. Okay, let's try to start. It's really stable now. It's not gonna be a looks like that. You can start it. Yeah, I got you. So guys, watch if it's going to start now. It's really not that loose. Allahumma barik. Allahumma barik. Subhanallah. Amazing trick. Try it out, no cost. Probably gonna cost you 50 cents. Do not lose out of this. Save money from this. Jazakallah khair.